Peace, everybody. I hope everyone's having a great day. I am so happy to share this moment with you now that we are going to be back at the office for the holiday party tomorrow. I took the liberty to make a sangria for all of you guys, and I got approved to do so. So I'm going to show you the process. Maybe, by watching this video later on during the holiday season, you'll be able to do the same with your loved ones. So I have over 10 years of experience bartending, and even though I don't practice that profession anymore though, I still have all of the expertise wired in my brain. So let's actually go through the process of what I'm making today and what you actually need in order for you to make the sangria. You're probably wondering, why am I washing the pineapple without cutting it? Well, because if you cut it and then you wash it, you're gonna take all of the good enzymes that it brings. So very good idea. And also, how do you know that a pineapple is pretty good? First of all, look how the roots or the leaves, whatever, are coming off. That actually means that it's ripe to cultivate and to eat. Also, the way I actually find out is by smelling it. It has a really good strong pineapple smell. So that's how you know it. And also the color. But yeah, once you actually try to pull it off, and if this thing comes off like this, it's actually ready to go. Also, it's a good idea to put the grapes in water for a little bit, so all of the pesticides actually comes off. So the first thing we're gonna do is just gonna cut these things in a really small parts so we can put them into the sangria. Two red apples cut small pieces. I'm gonna put a pineapple in here. Pull that. Perfect. This is beautiful. I'm gonna use half of this pineapple. I'm gonna just cut this thing right here. Perfect. Now we need to get rid of this middle part. And same process. We're gonna cut this small pieces to make sure it's looking good. The sangria. So we have pineapple and apple. I have cut 2 red apples in small pieces, as you can see there, very small pieces, in order for you to be able to combine all ingredients together. Also grapes. I like the grapes with the seeds inside. I think they have more meat and juice, and also it actually is going to expedite the process of fermentation. And I actually put them in water so all of the toxins can actually be released and all the stuff. 8 ounces of sugar. This is about 8 ounces, so you'll be able to use a cup like this in order for you to measure it. The wine, this one, I would suggest a very inexpensive wine, but this one seems to be working very well for me when I used to bartend. So you should be able to get a bottle of this. Brandy, the cheapest one you can find. This is brandy. Peach brandy. They didn't have peach brandy though, so I'm using apple, which is basically the same, it's just different flavor with it. And triple sec. This is his orange liqueur over here. Last but not least, orange juice. I like it with some pulp too, so we can add to the authenticity of the sangria. And a big bucket. That's definitely the first thing that we actually need to have. So make sure that the bucket is sealed first before you can actually proceed. And the first thing we're gonna do is add the sugar into the bucket. That is done. Then the orange juice. Go. Then the grapes. This is very important, right? We're gonna take the grapes and we're gonna squeeze them into. This is gonna expedite the fermentation process, and it's also gonna give it grape flavor that you're gonna need. Don't worry about the seeds. Don't worry about the seeds. Trust me. You're gonna do that. Oh my god, it's smelling so good already. Right? Okay, make sure that they are all. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and stir this a little bit. So all the sugar go with it. Then we're gonna take the triple sec and we're gonna use 1/3 of the bottle. Okay, so this is basically 1/3 of it, so I'm gonna use half of this. There we go. Same thing with this. I'm gonna use 1/3 of this bottle. There we go. Same thing with the apple brandy. 1/3 of it. Still open, right? There we go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna stir this again. You can hear the sugar. Make sure that the sugar is gone completely. You can hear the sound there, right? Now we're gonna put in the rest of the fruit. So fish, corn. Again, we're gonna move it. Make sure that you mix the entire go. And now the wine. Perfect. See that my skills are still there, huh? Okay, so now we're gonna mix this thing up again. I'm gonna tell you guys, it smells so good. It smells so delicious. I hope you all like it. So there you have it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seal this. I'm gonna leave it sitting down for 24 hours. That should actually give the process fermentation. Ideally, I'm gonna leave it outside at room temperature, so the fruits and the orange juice gets mixed up with all of the liqueur that we actually have in there, and it should be ready by tomorrow. Okay, so there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you use this technique in order for you to make sangria in the future, and see you guys tomorrow. Bless you all.